In this video, we will look at how global and local variables are used. First, let's open idle and create a new script called basic6. Global variables are anything that is defined within the main script. So, if we type glob1 equals apostrophe hello apostrophe, then we have essentially created a global variable. Now underneath this, let's create a function type def my underscore func open bracket close bracket colon. Then press enter. Now type glob1 equals goodbye. Then enter a new line and backspace to break out of the function, then call the function by typing my underscore func open bracket close bracket. Now enter a new line and type print open bracket glob1 close bracket. When we run the code, what do you think the value of glob1 will be? Will it equal hello or goodbye? Press run and take a look in the shell window. As we can see, the value is equal to hello, even though the function ran and glob1 was set to goodbye. So, was this ignored? Well, this happens because, when we assign a value to a variable inside a function, the function creates a local variable. Even though we have already created a variable with the same name outside of the function, a new variable is created locally within the function. In the function, if we enter a new line and add a print statement to print glob1, then run the code again, we can see that the first print statement, when the function runs, says goodbye, which is the local variable, and the second print statement prints the global variable. So what if we wanted to assign the global variable to another value within the function? Well, in this case, we would need to specify that we want to use a global variable before it's called. Underneath the def my underscore func line of code, enter a new line and type global glob1. This tells the function to use the global variable of glob1. Now if we run the code again, the global variable should be affected and changed to goodbye as specified within the def statement. It is important to know how Python uses the global and local function, as it's an easy mistake to assume that the global function will be automatically changed whenever we assign a new value to it in the def statement. But this won't work without first using the global statement.